We'll guide you through how to make a Google Drive link for photos. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here I've got some images I want to put on Google Drive and make a link for. You may have one or multiple, it doesn't matter, we'll guide you through this. So to go and get started, let's go and open up a web browser. So open up Chrome. I'm currently on google.com, and then you can go to the top right and press the Google Apps button, and you want to go and find the option for Drive, and you can go and click there. Once you're on the drive, what you want to do is go to the top left and you can go and press on New. I like to go and create a new folder just to go and keep everything organized. We'll go and press that there, and you can go and give this a name. I'll name this images share like so and press create. When it's created, you'll go and get it highlighted, and you can then go and double click on it like so, and you're now in here. Now you can go to the top left and press new, and you want to go and press file upload like so. Now we can go and upload the images. So let me go and find the folder, and we can then come into it. If there's just one, you can select it. If there's lots, you can click hold and drag and go and press open. You can go and upload more images whenever you want as well. Now we can go and wait for these to upload. So if you just want to go and share one image or photo, all you need to do is go and click the three dots in the top right of it, and you can then go and hover over share, and you want to press share. Then what you can do is go and change the general access to anyone with the link. You can go and choose who you want to go and have access, but I like anyone to see it. And you can then press copy link. That's just for one image. If we've got multiple, we can do it for the entire folder. So you can go and press on the folder name at the top. Then you can go and hover over share, and you want to press share to the right. Do the same thing, add people if you wish, but what I like to do is go and set the access to anyone with the link. We can then go and press copy link. Now you can go and paste it and give that to people, and they'll be able to go and access those images, and they can go and download them and do what they want to with them. That's it. If you found this useful and want to see more videos like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.